Hey folks, it is Shane the Shark Man coming at you from Guarantee RV in Junction City. And today we're going to be showcasing the Newmar Bay Star Sport, the 2905 model. It's got the big Ford V10, and I'll tell you something folks, this coach is spectacular. Of course, we all know Newmar makes a great product as it is. Okay, let's start on the driver's side. Moving down the driver's side, you've got two nice slide rooms, and on the slide rooms you've got tinted windows, and they are frameless. The reason why they're frameless is because it makes it a little easier and they open up better, and they're tinted very deep because when you're in the sun and it's blaring down on you this summer, it's going to keep you nice and cool. Underneath you got plenty of storage. Then moving around to the back, you've got a nice frameless tinted window facing out of your bedroom so you can back up and check out the coast from there and just enjoy it. Ladder to go up top to take care of all your components up there. And then backup camera, of course. Moving around to the passenger side, you've got a rear escape door in the bathroom. Also, you've got above you a huge patio awning, which is great to have in the sun, the rain, whichever. And then you got another slide room right next to that. Moving inside the coach, first thing you're going to see is beautiful, beautiful interior. This is a very light blonde wood, very nice inside. If you look at the cab area, you got two nice, I like to call them peanut butter colored because I love peanut butter. They're chairs. You got two swiveling chairs, reclining, also in the front. You've got a tray that comes out on the passenger side for your laptop. You know, you want to eat something while you're traveling. And then, of course, above you've got nice storage area and two nice cooling fans and an electric shade, day-night shade that pulls down. You got built-in levelers on that as well. Moving back into the coach, you've got a nice sleeper sofa on the right side, driver's side. And then just across from that, not only do you have a nice bench dinette setup, which also drops down into a bed, storage underneath there, you've also got a televator that raises up when you push a button. I mean, this is beautiful. Moving into the kitchen, this is the real good one. You've got not only your 3-burner cooktop and your Whirlpool microwave, you've also got a real oven, which, you know, in RVs that's kind of hard to find, but bake some cookies or something and you'll enjoy your kitchen a lot. Then you've got your nice double sink sitting here, nice little spout sticking out of there, lots of cabinet space. Turn left, you've got your refrigerator, and that is a fridge freezer model. And then right next to that, you've got a nice storage space for your canned food, your spinach, you know, corn, whatever. Then moving back into the bedroom area, on the left side of this, you've got a nice setup here with a little wardrobe closet, 3 drawers underneath that. And then right inside, you've got a nice bathroom, nice size shower, very nice sink. Everything is just brand new and just amazing in this coach. You've also got, looks like to me, a king-size bed in here. Very, very nice. It's in one of the slide rooms. When you drop it down, sleep comfortable. You've got a TV right across from that. Folks, we know how things are right now here at Guarantee. We know how things are going, how things are doing as far as getting out and living. You know, we get it. You've been cooped up, going stir crazy, just like everyone else. And you may not be able to do what you were talking about, that annual cruise or flight out to Hawaii, but you can still live. Have an enjoyment in life right here at Guarantee. Getting an RV, you can go around, check out the sights in the United States, and just have fun and really live. Just keep living. And we have the RV to help you do just that. We are here for you. Remember that. Shane the Shark Man from Guarantee RV in Junction City. Get a hold of me. We'll talk and have lunch.